guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mr. Gid Tech. Today I'm going to show you this DVD. It has refused to open. The open is not working. This is the mechanism of this DVD. Wow. This is the remote of this DVD. So today I'm going to show you what you do to make this DVD to open. Then first you check the DVD rubber to know whether it's loose. This one is not loose, very tight. So what could be the problem of this DVD? Second, you have to free this again like this. Start freeing it. It's on the back. Wow, this wire is not in this place, so you have to solder it back. It's supposed to be here. So you take your soldering iron, go back, solder it properly. Make sure that it doesn't bleach together. So after that you have done it, so done it, you then have to put in cover. Make sure you set it in this gutter. This is the gutter. You look closely, this is the gutter. Set also this one. After that, yeah, so you on the DVD, you plug on the DVD. But before I plug on the DVD, you have to put in this wire here. This wire controls the motor that helps the DVD to open and close. Set it properly. I'll be releasing. So let's plug on. So guys, what do you see? This just wow. What have you seen, guys? These are just open. So this is the way we do our things in Mr. Gid Tech. We show you for you to see. So foremost in doing this, you can do it at your home. First, change the rubber. Second, you have to make sure that no wire is being disconnected. After that, you are good to go. So I love you guys to please, I'm begging you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share to others. We are still growing audience, so give a like. I really thank you guys. This once more, this me, Mr. Gid.